Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to break down IELTS Writing Task 1 for the academic test. I will show you how to describe charts, graphs, maps and processes clearly, logically and in an examiner way reward with band 7 or higher. In academic task 1, you are not giving opinions, you are reporting information from a visual source. Your job is to summarize the key features and compare the data accurately. You may see one or more visuals. The language changes slightly depending on task type, but the structure remains mostly the same. To score well, you must meet all 4 criteria. Most candidates lose marks because of a weak overview or because they list data instead of summarizing. This 4-paragraph structure works for almost every academic task 1 question. The overview is the most important paragraph in your response. Let's take the example. The bar chart illustrates the percentage of households with internet access in 4 countries between 2000 and 2020. Never copy the task wording exactly. Paraphrasing shows vocabulary range and control. The overview paragraph. Overall internet access increased significantly in all countries, with country A remaining the highest throughout the period. If your overview is missing or unclear, it is almost impossible to score above band 6. Always include 1. You are not required to mention every number. Examiners want meaningful comparisons, not a list of statistics. Use a variety of trend verbs improves your lexical score, but accuracy is more important than complexity. Let's talk about the grammar that can boost your band score. The figure for France was considerably higher than that of Germany. Grammar errors with sentence and comparisons are very common. Always double check them during your review time. Processes and maps have different language rules. There are no trends, so focus on stages or changes instead. Avoiding these mistakes alone can significantly improve your band score. No overview paragraph, writing opinions, too many numbers, copying task language. Time management is very important. Planning helps you see trends faster and prevents repetition. Use this trend grouping method that can help you to organize body paraphrases logically and clearly. Unique and practical high-value tips. Write the overview first after planning. Memorize 5 trend verb groups. Use approximate numbers about roughly. Avoid exact repetition of numbers. Keep body paragraphs balanced. These strategies are used by high-scoring candidates. They save time and reduce mistakes under pressure. Examiners reward clarity and control, not memorized phrases. The final advice: practice 1 task daily, study band 8-9 samples. Improvement comes from analyzing what you did wrong and fixing patterns, not just writing more. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Let me know which academic task 1 type you struggle with the most.